everybody. Hello, hello. I am Coach Tammy. If you are not aware of who I am in the mood to make a wreath. Are you guys in the mood to make a wreath? Let's do this. So I'm going to use a 15-inch work wreath form. Okay, so we're going to be using the cutest sign ever. Isn't that stinking cute? Obsessed. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this at, let's do it at 20 inches. Let's just go ahead and keep it at 20. I needed 9 pink. 5, 6, 7, 8. I knew that'd be my luck. So I need 10 out of the burlap jute, which is not going to be hard because I see there's plenty. 3. Spring mesh. If you need to order spring mesh, shopLikeTammy.com. Deco has some in, friends. Yeah. So this is the top row. I'm alternating the burlap jute and the pink. So we're going to be using a 2.5 inch and a purple 2.5 inch. Oops. I'm going to do 9 of each. I'm going to do 13-inch tails because that's what I prefer. 4. And I'm going to continue with 9 more strips. I have 18. So I'm going to go ahead and dovetail. Okay. So I'm just going to take my little packets here. I'm just going to put them in every one. So I'm doing this and every other one. I have a meaning behind my madness. Don't judge me for what you don't know. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some funky tails. So see the contrast of the brightness of the hot pink? I wanted to mix the light pink with the hot pink. That's why I did what I did. Okay, so now I need to go through. Oh, I hate it when it's spliced. We got to add some more of this to the bottom. Nope, it's pouring rain there. Yuck. Yucko. Do y'all need the rain right now, though? Sometimes if y'all need the rain, I hate saying yucko, you know? I like to have a lot of the bright. Okay. Yep. I like it. I like it with the pink. I'm going to go ahead and make this hand bow. But before I do, I want to go ahead and attach this stinking blinking cute sign. I'm obsessed with that sign. I'm going to put it right in the middle, I think. I'm going to cut 2 pieces of felt off. Just like that. A lot of you ask why I add the felt. I get a bunch of DMs every time I do that. And the reason I add the felt is harder to come off of metal. Plastic and metal pop. They just come right apart. But when I put the felt on the metal, it's a lot harder to peel off. I love the vintage look all the time, but right now I'm really into it. Just like that. Okay. And I'm going to decide where I want this. I think I want it up here because I want to do the bow down here. So I'm just going to go right around that crossbar. Okay. Super stinking cute sign. Okay, I'm going to make this half bow. And then I'm going to add some more ribbon to this. It's way too long. That's okay. I'm going to go ahead and cut all my ribbon first. It's always easier for me if I do that. It is. I have some super fun ribbon right here that I want to use. Shoot, I missed that entirely. Just twisting that booty around. Okay. So this is just a small half bow. Just a small one. I just wanted a little bit of a ribbon somewhere up here. I do believe it's going to go right here. Okay, so I'm going to actually just stick that in there. I'm going to mess with my ties, like one goes up, the other goes down. One goes up, the other goes down. So this is the fluffiest stuff I've ever seen for any tubing. I may or may not be a little bit obsessed with it. So what I'm going to do is just come in here and just put it where the good Lord wants me to. It's just so cute. Give it back, give it back, give it back. It's so cute. And I'm not going to do it on every other one because it's a lot. But I am going to make a little statement piece with it. It's like huge. I don't know where I found it, to be honest with you. I don't know. I found it in my stash the other day and said, oh, hello, friend. Now this part's janky. It's got to go. I don't use flex tubing ever, but I found this and fell in love with it. I just liked it. I liked it a lot. Like, how cute is that wreath? How stinking cute is that? I really feel like I need a little bit of this white 60919 sticking up out of that bow. And then I'm going to be done for reals. Okay, so I am going to putting that in there and I'm going to be gluing it. Okay, so we're going to fluffy fluff. And I'm going to put it right underneath his booty. A little twerk right there. Okay. All right, y'all. So I wanted to add a little bit of green in there. I needed to do it with the 60919. So stinking cute, you guys.